the fuck out. La verga, güey.
Jetzt kippt er sich um.
Wackelig ist er gerade, aber Monaski, niemals.
No.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks.
School is in session.
It's no good operator.
Oh, mate's in a bit of a pickle today, eh? Pressed the wrong button.
That's what happens when you teach your coworker how to drive a front end. Who's the big boy? Who's the great big boy? The big boy! Boo. Later.
We might be going to the hospital tonight, guys. Not for me. For these two idiots.
Yeah.
Demin mayna verdi. Su, pardon.
Şey altında kalacaksın. Çabuk. Üstüne çık, üstüne çık, üstüne çık. Hayır. Yok, kaldı.
Hello.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guys? $20? No, too much money.
The rhythm becomes more and the harsh afternoon sun.
Oh, no, 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 no.
That's good. That's done. Give me fucking
Это здесь кого-то?
Oh wow, that looks very nice, Ryan. My fucking talent right there.
Construction is not just manual labor. It demands logical thinking, problem solving, and constant creativity. Recycling resources instead of construction is elaborate design, simple design. Simply reading, understanding, and visualizing three-dimensional space in a two-dimensional way is a challenge for the sound. The greater challenge lies in creating systems and discovering must come together, discuss, and find an optimal solution. The moment a clever fix is done, one that ensures technical integrity without sacrifice of time, brings an immense sense of This saying holds true on every site. Perhaps when digging a foundation, they discover an underground strait not shown in the survey, or a specific material is delivered late, or a sudden storm hits. These situations demand quick thinking and adaptability. Plans must be changed, manpower reallocated, alternative material sourced. This crisis management process is stressful, but when everything is resolved and the project is back on track, the feeling of relief and pride is indescribable. Innovation in execution. Sometimes traditional construction methods are not effective.
Aí, família, ó. Esse aqui é mais bonito a raiz, ó. Vai.
They might devise a special type of format, a new way to process a material, or a smarter installation sequence. These small innovations not only solve the problem, but also save time and effort. The joy takes pride in one's experience and skill. It is undeniable that construction is a physically demanding job. Working outdoors, carrying heavy materials, and standing in moving systems However, for many genuine laborers, pushing past the body limits also brings a unique joy. It is a feeling of being fit and resilient. After a day's work, they feel the strength in their muscles. Their bodies become tough, accustomed to hardship. The joy here is not about asceticism, but the satisfaction of knowing you have a healthy
What the
body to support yourself and your family. At the end of the day, after a cleansing shower and sitting down for a meal, leaving with a sense of relaxation and fulfillment. It is the joy of someone who has completed a day of honest labor with their own strength. It is a very real, very authentic joy. Construction site is one of the places where humans most the pressures of nature. The story working under such conditions is a supreme test of endurance. But they have their
تكنولوجيا 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 تكنولوجيا
hang in there. The sudden rain can disrupt work, create slippery conditions, and damage materials. When rain is imminent, the whole site bustles like an ant colony. Everyone quickly prepares flint and steel and secures machinery. The seamless coordination in these urgent moments reveals a very high sense of responsibility. And when the rain passes, they quickly get back to work. The joy of nature is especially it gives one the feeling and shelter.
In case you're questioning my judgment in buying this instrument, this fine instrument made in America, it does have
تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا Tecnologia! 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 Tecnologia!
When they saw law, it was like hope all new. Find your friend. You can trust this. Sandstone and water, fire can be molded into any shape. Once it That feeling is like a sculptor completing their masterpiece. 5.2.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Oh, wait.
Respect for one's health, one's family. They are not only protecting their own, no one respect the family. Waiting anxiously. Their greatest joy is not the money, but seeing their loved one return home healthy and whole after each work. The serene feeling of working responsibly, causing your loved ones to enjoy the long day when the safety
Oh, no, 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 no.
every day passes
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!